Welcome to Phone Transformer, where I will guide you through exactly how to delete downloads from Android to help you free up space and keep your device organized. Clearing out old files is a great way to boost your phone's performance, so now let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Files app from your home screen or app drawer to access your phone's primary file management system. This app is the best tool for safely viewing and managing all the different types of data stored on your internal memory. Step 2, then go to Downloads, which is usually located right on the main screen under the Browse tab in the Categories section. This folder is the central storage area for every image, document, and video you have saved while browsing the internet. Step 3, then click Download option to open the full list of files and see everything that is currently taking up space on your device. Viewing this list allows you to sort through your files so you can accurately choose which items you no longer need. Step 4, then press any you want to delete by long pressing on a single file or tapping multiple items to select them all at once. This selection process gives you full control over your storage, ensuring you only remove the specific files that are cluttering your phone. Step 5, then click Delete icon at the top right corner of the screen, which looks like a small trash can, to initiate the removal process. This action tells the system that you are ready to remove the selected data from your active storage folders. Step 6. Tap on Move to Trash to confirm your choice and clear the files out of your main directory immediately. Moving items to the trash is important because it safely removes the files while giving you a short period to recover them if you change your mind. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.